Hello everyone, I'll be showing you how to create your own personal tutoring appointment through SharkLink. Now the first step to this is that you want to go ahead and log in and open up your SharkLink. So now once you go ahead and open that up, in the middle widget here you have student applications. So now my very first tip and trick is to go ahead and click on these three buttons here, and I like to open my widget size a little bit more. That way I can see a lot more of my applications that I'm going to use. So in this case I can clearly see navigate. So now I want to go ahead and click on the blue button here. It'll redirect me to this page where I can then create those appointments. So on the right hand side, right below NSU Florida, we get to see scheduled appointment. So you want to go ahead and click on this. So now here, it will show you three different boxes that you need to fill in. So what type of appointment would you like to schedule? So in this case, for us in this video, we'll make a tutoring and testing. And from here, what services does that tutoring and testing center have? So now there's peer academic consultant, which we refer to PAC, and we also have the course-based tutoring. So now this is where we want to click on for this video. So now pick a date. So now let's pick a time that best suits our schedule. So in this case, let's say next week on the 30th best fits the time that I'm available. So let's see. From here, it'll show you the kind of courses you're taking at the time. So for me specifically, I'm taking human nutrition and cellular molecular biology. So this varies based on students on what they're taking. So for you or for many students, it may show like Chem 1 or Biology 1 or Math 1, or it really depends on what kind of courses you're taking at the time of the semester. And it will appear here as well. In my case, let's click on one of these courses. So let's put cellular and molecular biology. And it says here that we have a tutor available at that time, Devage. 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So here you click on the time that best suits you. But a little side note as well is that, for example, if you were to take an introductory course and you need tutoring services, there will be more than just one tutor available. And for now, let's click on Devage for 4 to 5. So now once all this has been created, the only thing left, and I emphasize this a lot, is that please fill out this box here on would you like to share anything. Yes, because this is where I will give Devage information based on what I need help on. So in this case, let's put chapter 1 of glycolysis. But now let me be more specific than that. That's a little bit too broad still. So let's say that learning how to do the first 3 steps of this mechanism. Let's say, how are they used and consumed? I think that's how you spell it. But anyways, from here, we would then press schedule, and from there, it will give you an email reminder and a phone number reminder the day before and the confirmation of that tutoring appointment. So the only thing left now to do is to show up to your appointment. So now again, just to reference this back, the tutoring services are at the SAB, which is referred to as the Student Affair Building. From there, you want to go to the second floor, up the elevator, and then on the right hand side, you'll see the front desk. And from there, you ask them that you're there for your tutoring service, and you're all set. Thank you for watching.